Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cellular data not working issue on iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you're using iOS 18 on your iPhone and you're facing this pop-up or this problem on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then you have to scroll it below and tap on general, tap on about, and from here check if there are any career updates available for you. So I simply check if there are any career updates available for you, then you have to simply update them, and after this go back and tap on software update and update your software to the latest version as well. So guys, if there is any update available for you like this, simply update it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply drag down your control center and from here turn on the flight mode for 30 seconds, and after this turn it off. So I simply do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to open the general section again, and now you have to scroll it below all the way and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that you are not using any VPN. So guys, do this, and after this go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply force restart your iPhone for one time. So I simply press and hold the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact your service provider. So guys, once you contact your service provider, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.